Okay, first we calibrate the table, calibrate the camera. Okay, calibrate the camera. We make the table flat. Make the table flat. Okay, and we put the materials on the table, on this table. Okay, and use a mark pen to make 4 marks like this. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4. To make sure this pen are not washed away by the water. Okay, because when we calibrate, we must let the water out. Okay, make this 4 mark. Now this is the, we go to open the camera controller, this one. Click it. Now the software is open. Now we press the first one, the main interface, this one, okay? And this is open the camera. Now we make start. So we make sure all the plates are here, okay? Now we turn on the AC Studio, the controller for the water jet, okay? AC Studio. Now this is the AC Studio. Okay, 好，你移动吧。Now we move. We in the we home. We move the. We use the hand wheel for move the X, Y, Z to keep all the mark. You know, all the 4 marks. All the 4 marks are in the screen. Okay. We slightly move. Now it's okay. We see the marks here, 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 here. Okay. After we this X, Y clean. Yes. Z clean. Okay.
clean 之后，我们
Clean
我们先可以先这个
When press operate， 我们 save working 保存这个坐标 ，save the working piece original。OK。
好，我把这个
Now this is the calibrate, the second one, calibrate. Now we click this one, it start calibrate. Now this is remember the coral, okay? We will write this one, machine. Okay, machine coordinate, not a working, okay, machine. Okay. Your sum 1355.700. Z is 7.740. Now put this in here and then finish. Okay, now continue. Not press is finish. Okay, we should be press 4. This is the number 1. Okay, we should be make calibrated marking 1. Now this is the camera. Press here. We will make one photo. Make it bigger. Okay, this we use this. Okay, the wheel. This is the Mark 1. 这是什么意思？别你懂。Now this is number 2. You see number 2. It means this marking. Make it bigger, and we click in the center. Okay, click. Okay. Now number 3. We have to go to here. This is number 3. Okay, in the middle. This click number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right number this. OK。Now this 完了，然后呢
然后我们就要移动水道去走这些坐标。
？Now we move. This is it. OK. Now we move the machine. This is the machine's coordinate x y. OK. You see, we here, and now you can let the water out. You can let the water out from here to let the water hit on this number, the marking number. That's why I said this is marking another wash away by the water, because we should use the water to calibrate. You see, with the number 1, marking 1, okay? We come back to the software.
然后我们把
Now this is 就这个坐标是吧？这个 This is working coordinate. You see, this is the camera. This is the camera one. We just write by hand. 256.200. You see, x y. Okay. Now we will calibrate the second dot. Now we will move the second dot to here. This is the second dot. Also with the same way, use the wheel and let the water is out. Make the water hit this. Okay, hit the second dot. That is mark. That you mark the dot with a pen. Okay, the water is out. Water is out here and hit the second one. Okay, hit the second one. Now we will back to software. Now this is the working color for the second dot. We will put this number here. 210.1. Okay. Now we back to number 3. Same, we use a wheel to move. Move this to the number 3. Okay. Now we move the number 3. Okay, number 3 dot. Also same, the water is out and hit the dot, number 3 dot. Now we back to software. You see, we will choose number 3. Okay, this is it's a work color. Put this 2 number here. It's easy, huh? Okay, now we go to number 4. I'll use hand wheel to move to number 4. Now this is number 4, okay? Okay, now this water out hit number 4. We back to the software. Same, put this water color and put it here, number 4, XY. It's 2, okay? Now, then we press finish, calibrate. This name of the materials, we can anything. This is the thickness of our materials that you do. For example, this one, we use 2 mm, okay? This thickness is 2 mm. Now, here, we will write 2 mm. 2 mm. Now we save. This is the camera. Number 2, save date. We press this, it's okay. Now after press this, the calibrate the camera is finished. Now after calibrate your materials, we put the working materials on the table. Okay, your working pieces. For example, this machine is 6 meters. Now we do 6 meters. For example, we put the 6 meters materials on the table. Okay. Now we open the camera. We will see that we make a photo, take the photo, the second one, the middle one, this one. Now we will see these materials. Now it is, if you put the 6 meters long, it will be not so full. Okay. Now, if you 6 meters long, if you only show half, now we press this G code. Okay, G code. This is the location of the camera. Okay. This is the coordinate of the first part. Okay, we just move it just outside one part of the materials. Okay, and make one photo. You see, this 1, 2. We press the right. We press the right of the mouse, right button of the mouse. The first one is add. You see, this last one is delete. Okay, because our material is long, it's 6 meters long, so we take 2 times. It's not enough for take the full materials. So we should be click the right of the mouse and add it. Now this means we make 5 times camera, take the photo of 5 times of the each. So to make all the working pieces here. Okay. Now this G code here, we make it for, let's the camera take us 5 times. So this one, the last one is adjustment. This one, adjustment. So we also add the same 5. This is the 1, 2, 3. Okay, same. Press the right buttons of the mouse. The right buttons of the mouse, and add 1 row. This is number 5, number 4. Okay. Okay, number 5. You see the G code is also 5. This adjust is also 5. Now it's okay. Now we back to the G code here. We input the coordinate of X and Y.
我们有2个就行了吧？
Now we
那我以为那边然后重新搞。
Now this is we be input the coordinate of X, Y. Okay. Now we will show you how to input this one. Now this is the software, okay, of our camera. We press start. Okay. Now we back to the NC Studio. Use the hand wheel for move. Okay, hand wheel. Choose the hand wheel and move. We move here. For example, we take the camera of these materials. Okay, this material we move with the hand wheel. Come to here. Now if you see here, you see the go. See, go. Now we change it to the Y and then move. Okay. Now if you see, all the table is here. Now if you remember this coordinate, we input here. 输入就行了。686 11.8. Now this is a one part, okay? The second part, if the we make the 6 meters long, 6 meters, so the material is long, so we move this to back again, then move to let all the materials are sewing on here. Okay. Now this is the first. Now for the second, as it's too big, so we will move the camera to another place and make a camera, and go on till to the end. Now, after we showing all the materials you can see in here, so we will this means the thickness of the materials that we do one cut. If it's 2 mm, you see 2 mm, okay? 4 or 5, 6, you just input note here. This one and this one, ignore, okay? Use the 0 and 3. Now after we finish this, we will see G code. Press this. Now we will see the G code here. Now this is G code, okay? This is create the G code. Okay, it means save the G code. Now G code is okay. Now after we create a G code, okay, now we back to the controller of the NC of the machine. File, open and load. You see G code in here. We will find the last one. You see that there has a time. The last one is okay. And then we open. Now this is the G code of the, and we press start. Current software, we will close auto. Close. Now we will. Now it's to be open. Sorry, because it's open already. So I close and reopen for you. This must be open. Okay. This means this is closed now. It's be open. Okay. And then start. Start. We will see the machine is moving. Okay, it's moving. Now it's okay. After finish moving, now it will be like this. This means photo is finished. It asks if we immediately create a JIF file. So we should be yes. Now JIF file is open. Now we go to my computer. D disk. There's a camera systems. CD. The last one is the JIF. Now, see, we open it. This is a table that we show. Okay. Now the plate material is here, so you can make the design here. You can cut any designs with the CD and finish this.
那他们都会的。
Now CD you can change, make the color change here. Okay, you can change the color here for make the drawing or easily see. You see. For example, we want to make the cut of a square, and this. Now you can. This is your working pieces. You can make any design here. You can cut any location. Okay, the machine will be cut at the right connection. For example, we want to cut a circle here. we want to cut a square here. Now we press.
好，我们先
Now make a 叫什么
点，
a dot， 这是一个什么圆点的吧
对，圆点，然后
？Start dot。Okay.
指定点，它是坐标。
It's called it. Okay.
然后 D F F O U T
Default. Okay. Now this is the photos that we do. We cut 2 circles on our materials. We press this dot. We set a 0 point. Now 0 0. Okay, we start. Now it will become here. 然后你再点的是右键、左键输那个 default 的那个。
哦，不用右键或左键，直接 D F S U。
哦 ，default 有这个功能是吧？
啊，对，就
Now we input DXF DXF out DXF out. Now this file is automatic saved here. Now we choose it and save in the desk. We make it number 1. OK， 好，保存吧。
不用，还要选这些
等，这个是
工具。
This is your DXF. Maybe they have the tools here. Yes, option. DXF option. Choose the right things and confirm. Save.
选择
Choose.
空格，
Now we press space.
那就可以了。
Now, this is the files. Okay, we open the NC Studio. This is the NC Edit. This is the software. Now, NC Edit we open. Number 1. You see these 2. Okay, 然后再一个呢？
保存。
Now we save. Okay.
啊，对。
This software post. Now it's here.
然后就正常切割就行了。
Press this one. Okay. Then we clink oil pump. Now first is oil pump, okay? And then start.
把这个打到 out， 然后再
It used to be out, so we have this, and then press start. Now you see it's moving. 切割的速度这么慢。
这是显然是800。
Now it's cutting. Okay, we make the
这切割的速度。
you see it's cutting the circle.
这个是开始的速度，这个是开始的速度。
Open the old pump. It's already on. 好了。
对了，去这个放。卖去，它应该成本上，应该成本上。
Now
电子信号。